Hello, Katka here, and I wanted to share with you what has been happening during our final term. In our first few days back, we had our online youth talk Q&A with Justin Baldoni, during which the students had so many questions that we had a second one a few weeks later. We also had our own book week, where we had English books for sales in the Cabana room, thanks to Moonwood Books. There was a selection for all ages and everybody felt inspired to read a little bit more. We also celebrated World Book Day, where we had to dress up as our favorite book characters. There were so many fantastic and even hilarious costumes. At the beginning of May, we had our traditional family day. This is a day for all of us to bond and celebrate our community. In the morning, we had activities and games, and then at lunchtime, we were joined by parents for a barbecue. Even though it was a very busy term, we continue to recognize the ongoing hard work of students with the Students of the Month award. And of course, a big congratulations to Yasmina for receiving the Students of the Year award. Being on campus at Townshend, you also notice the small things that happens day to day. For example, the kindergarten students watering their plants and each other, and the boys enjoying a game of football. As we approached the end of the term, everybody was busy with exams, but we were looking forward to the graduation and celebrating the school's 30th anniversary. Students were busy finishing projects and assignments. For example, one of the students led a Holocaust memorial project, which was displayed in the foyer. Before we knew it, Level 4 was thanking their teachers during the rose ceremony. Once exams are over, the adventures begin. Students took trips all over Europe and South Bohemia. Upper primary visited Vienna. There was a history trip to Austerlitz, a visit to the Berchtesgaden salt mines and the Eagle's Nest in Germany. And a number of short day trips with homeroom classes. During the last few weeks, there was time for activities. For example, a Chinese culture workshop led by the Confucius classroom at ITB in České Budějovice. Lower primary enjoyed a baking day in the dormitory, and the Level 4 students organized laser tag on campus. Finally, on our last day before all the visitors arrived, we had our whole school sports day. Primary and secondary school participated together to create an atmosphere of teamwork and cooperation. On the last day of school, the celebration started. In the morning, we had a report card ceremony and celebrated all the hard work. Followed by the famous alumni versus students football game, where the students won 7-1. The day ended with an open invitation to the Indian restaurant for an all-you-can-eat buffet. Saturday was a big day. The school celebrated its 30th anniversary and the graduation of the class 2022. The art students made 300 small balls that were filled with sweets to give as a gift to the guests. And the alumni and former students visited from all over the world to share memories. It was very emotional, especially during the alumni gathering in the library, which had been made into a memory museum. The graduates of 2012 and 2002 celebrated their 10 and 20 years reunions with speeches from a class representative. We also enjoyed performances from students and of course we danced. There are more photos and videos from this event on our Instagram and Facebook pages. This term was filled with excitement and happiness, and we are all looking forward to the next year. See you soon!